Hey guys, I am going to do this is Smithsonian Lego mini set. I'm gonna be building it and reacting to it. If you're wondering where I got this in Washington. No, not DC. Washington, right? Yeah. No.
Washington, D.C.
In Washington, D.C. I'm sorry. Um, but I got it from one of the Smithsonian museums in the gift shop. And so let's begin. So there's only 17 steps to this process, but the pieces are extremely tiny. So probably going to be using tweezers. They might not even work. But yeah. See you after step 1.
Okay.
It's so hard to find stuff in this pile. I just want to find a flat 2-block brown piece. That's my strategy, though.
Dump them all together and learn about it?
Yes. It's very difficult, and I like a challenge. Well, guys, I just realized that we had a block remover thingy. Don't know the actual name, but I had my mom pick off a stinky evil piece that got stuck on and wasted her poor fingers. Sorry, mother. Okay, step 1 almost finished, except I cannot find one of those for that right there. Right there. I know it's not focused enough to actually make the line out, but that's a 2 brick right there. Flat 2 brick. There are a lot of these kinds of 2 bricks, or whatever they're called, but I only found one flat 2 brick because there's only 3 in the set. Is like On to the next step. Darn it, it's glitching. Steps 2 is done. We're getting somewhere. On to step 3. And it's glitching out again. That's nice. That's scary. You see what I mean? If you don't, I must be going insane. Okay, there's how it looks. Now it's getting very late. It's very late. It's very dark. You probably can't tell because of the terrible quality of the phone's camera. But we're getting better. Less peaches. Pieces, not peaches. I don't know why I said peaches. It's so cute.